See the world around you. Science of art and the art of science. Everything connects to everything else. That is the essence of steel detailing. That is the essence of Brainstorm Infotech, the frontrunner in the field of steel detailing for more than 14 years. Steel detailing is an important and mandatory engineering process in all steel fabrication and construction industries. We play a vital role in simplifying the process of steel fabrication and erection by extracting all relevant information from contract drawings in coordination with various stakeholders, like structural engineers, architects, general contractors, and other relevant engineering departments, by providing BIM, erection plans, fabrication drawings, and reports for procurement and fabrication of steel using advanced automation technology. We offer structural and architectural steel design and detailing, which includes deck design and layouts to all our clients worldwide. All of this is powered by cloud technology. We capture all minuscule details of steel components that a fabricator needs, which helps them simplify the process of fabrication and erection on a job site. Our organization employs over 150 trained professionals with academic degrees in structural and civil engineering. They are further equipped with in-depth technical expertise and relevant software knowledge, which helps them build their core competence, excel in their role, and serve our customers in the best possible manner. Brainstorm Infotech has been instrumental in creating landmark structures and magnificent edifices. We proactively collaborate with general contractors and fabricators to execute steel design and detailing projects with finesse and flawlessness each time. We have successfully executed multiple projects with sizes ranging from 10 to 15,000 tons, with a completion cycle of 1 to 24 weeks. We are a team that can handle 70 to 80 projects of various sizes and complexities simultaneously. Our structural design team can analyze complex design issues and provide solutions that have a significant positive impact on projects. Our knowledge across diverse domains such as architecture, civil, structural, electrical, and mechanical engineering, and in various construction materials such as steel and concrete, provide us with a significant competitive edge. Our collaborative work culture and efficient internal systems and processes, combined with our breadth of experience, empower our talent pool to consistently deliver projects accurately and on time, leading to customer delight. We comply with steel detailing standards and practices of different countries. To ensure a high level of accuracy and standards in the design and detailing process, we use the latest softwares. Since 2010, with a combined work experience of over 500 years, we have completed over 2,500 projects successfully for more than 60 different fabricators. We are experts in commercial structures, include hotels, bus stations, sports centers, hospitals, educational institutions, stadiums, art and cultural centers, shopping malls, entertainment centers, and retail spaces, among others, and industrial structures like oil refineries, silos, and steel plants. Our company has been recognized and awarded on various occasions for our exceptional services. This is a testament to our commitment to excellence and our dedication to providing our customers with the best possible experience. This has been possible largely because of our focus on creating a happy environment, along with investing significantly in employee engagement initiatives. Partnering with a professional steel design and detailing organization like Brainstorm Infotech will provide you with value-added benefits such as a single window for all of your structural needs, on-time deliveries, and significant cost savings. We are passionate about what we do and committed to providing our clients with the best work experience. At Brainstorm Infotech, one can experience the art and science of steel detailing and design.